Trying to make friends? But what if you don't really like talking about sports, go to bars, or drink, or partying? Trying to fit in by talking about all the things that they are interested in and becoming a good listener. But it just feels all too fake because that's not who you are as a person. Hello, my name is Augustus, and I learn about social barriers and skills to help people become their true self in life. Welcome. It's really tough when you're trying to fit into a group, so you can cultivate a group of close friends that we want. But whenever you start sharing about your own interests, people stay silent. I know, right? It's like the worst feeling ever. It makes you want to really hide in your room and never come out again. I mean, socializing is already really hard for introverts. Pushing yourself out of the door, going to the event, trying to make friends, but then you come back feeling more empty. To be honest, it kind of sucks. I mean, in the end, we all just like to have a group of close friends to enjoy life with, just like everyone else. Why is that so hard? But here, it is possible for you to be yourself and also be in community, even for introverts, even for you. However, the first thing that you have to understand is the difference between different and wrong. When we're growing up, for whatever reason, maybe our family or friends, they act different than us, or we're the odd one outside of the group, it's very easy for us to feel like there is something wrong with us because we are different than everyone else. Then someone comes around and tells you that he doesn't like your voice. And when you're 15, somebody tells you that they don't like your voice, you're gonna believe them. Then you will start to change yourself so you can get other people to like you more. And when this happens enough, you will start to feel like something is wrong with you. In reality, can you have a wrong voice? Of course not. You may have a squeaky voice, one that not be as pleasant to hear, but it is not wrong to have that voice. So there's absolutely nothing to be ashamed about your voice. And right now, if you are feeling ashamed about your voice, I'm telling you, don't be ashamed of it. However, when we're younger, we don't know any better. When people tell us that they don't like our voice, it's their opinion, but then we think that there's something wrong with us because we're the odd one out. Now it comes to social anxiety. Because we have believed that there's something wrong with us and some part of us is unacceptable, we start to have these increased amount of fear when we are about to do something because we want to be liked and accepted by communities. Then in the process, we lose social skills because of our social anxiety. We lose opportunities and experiences that we missed out in life. However, you can still change. If we make mistakes as a person, then make changes so we don't make the same mistakes. But don't internalize your mistake and feel that there is something wrong with you because you made that mistake. And honestly, it's never too late to start. To be yourself when you're being around other people or friends, it really comes down to really understanding that your value as a person does not depend on other people. And when that happens, you are at peace with yourself. When you are at peace with yourself, you can talk to other people without huge amounts of anxiety. That's the key to a normal friendship. You have to remember your value as a human being when you talk with others, and that there's nothing to be ashamed of about you as a person. If you want to start right now, you can. You have to really reflect on why you think so badly about yourself in the first place. Talking about your insecurities and really learning to let go of past insecurities and pains, it helps you not doubt yourself. And as a result, you don't carry that doubt into your future relationships where you constantly feel fear when you are talking to someone. I want you to look at yourself right now. You're smarter, you're more mature than your younger self. You can understand that all because you look different or act different, it does not mean that you're more or less valuable as a person. So don't carry this mentality into your friendships or relationships because it's damaging. So these are just some of my thoughts for this week. I hope you enjoy. I really feel like social anxiety has become a huge part of this upcoming generation because of social media and just culture, I guess. So let's all work together so that we can go through this and be able to acquire social skills and be in community and create nice friendships. That's it. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I will see you guys next time.